Do housework. Do the housework. Do laundry. Do the shopping. Do the cleaning. Do wash dishes. Work or study. Do homework. Do a report. Do a project. Do the math. Next is make. In housework, make the bed. In communications, make a noise, make a comment, make a joke, make a point, make arrangements, make a speech, make a suggestion, make a prediction, make a confession, make an excuse, make a promise, make a fuss, make an observation, make a mistake, make a call, make a reservation. Thanks for watching.